are dairy cattle, which produce milk. Dairy cows typically live in freestall barns such as these. Some live out on pastures. Okay guys, these are some of our beef cows. So just like dogs and cats, which there are many breeds of, there are many breeds of cattle. So primarily they are used for beef instead of milk. And a milk cow would be called a dairy cow. So these guys are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. And unlike our stomachs, their stomach has 4 compartments. And that's how they digest plants into protein and other things to help them grow. Our friends here are eating corn. And it's ground up just like any cornmeal that you would find in the store. Very fine. And they really love it. Each cow also has an ear tag, which helps us identify who they are and when their birthday was, and if they've had any health problems throughout their years here. Say hello to our main farm dog, Lil. She is pretty fast. I think it's from all her experience running alongside and through the fields. She lives a pretty great life and also does a lot of tractor time. These are some of our mama cows, which means they're about to have babies soon. They just hang out and they graze on this green wheat, which is green before it turns golden later in the summer. They just relax and they chew their cud like you can see this pretty girl doing, which helps them to digest their food. This pretty lady has already had her calf just 2 days ago, so we're gonna go see if we can find him. Now, mommies are very protective of their babies, so we have to be careful. But he's spotted over here, laying in the shade, just resting. Hello, Peanut. Beef cows are usually about 60 to 70 pounds when they're born, but a full-size beef cow can range anywhere from 1,200 to 1,500 pounds. Mommy's watching, and she just wants to make sure that we're not going to hurt her baby. But he knows her moo. There they go, off to a new location. Lil comes out to help me check the cows. And they're all over here visiting Danny, who just came back from planting sweet corn. We have a little planter just for planting sweet corn, and we sell it fresh, or you might call it corn on the cob, during the summer in August and September at roadside stands. These are our ducks, which are mostly just for us to watch out the window of our house as they swim around on the pond, which they can do all day long, and they swim around wherever they'd like, and they just kind of hang out. So every night, the ducks come up to their hut, which is where they live. And then they spend the night in the hut, and they go back to the pond in the morning. Just like chickens, our ducks lay eggs. This is an egg from a chicken that you would typically buy in a grocery store. And this egg is from one of our ducks. So they look pretty similar, but the duck egg is a little bit bigger. And you can use them just like chicken eggs for baking and eating and all sorts of things. These are some piglets that we have. And just like other animals, there are many breeds of pigs. These are a Yorkshire cross, which is typically what you see when you see the pink pigs like these. There are many different pork products that come from pigs, such as ham, and even everybody's favorite, bacon.